Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. I think this is one of the imitational copy of the Crocs Sandles that my wife purchased from Amazon. Although I'm not sure why it's not in an Amazon box. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys the sandal. So right here is the product description right here. A gift for you, enjoy. With so many gift certificate. Oh, so this is the original Crocs. Blossom color. Yeah, so this is the original Croc. My bad. And it says Crocs on the side. And it is made in Indonesia. Men's size 6, women's size 8. So yeah, it is pretty nice that you can just slip on, or use this with your strap for your back heel. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.